Oh, nah, gee.
Ooh, I'm a little bit excited for this one.
I actually can't do this.
Nah, I'll speak.
Wait, yeah, you eat it now.
Let's go.
Kia ora, ko Kingston ahau.
Ko India ho.
Ko Kamai ahau.
Ko te rahi ahau, ko te irimana ahau.
Kia ora, ko Aniwa ahau.
Kei te kai maua I te upoko o te ika. Oh, nah, gee.
Fish head.
Aniwa's favourite.
Mum and I are here to show you how to cook fish heads today.
I need to eat the eye.
Anything with eyes looking up at you when you're about to eat it isn't quite so appealing. So I'm pretty sure there'll be a few pukana going on around the room when they come to sit down.
He pera ki te ipupara.
Aye.
Me ngā toenga kai I roto.
Either you can handle it or you can't. So you're just gonna wash the kai from tangaroa.
Kari anō au kua kai I te upoko o tētai ika. Engari, koenei taku wā tuatahi.
I don't even know how to describe how I'm feeling right now, to be honest.
This is fresh, you can tell by the eyes winking at you. No.
Karaitia kai te mahunga.
Kari hea te kai I tēnei.
It doesn't actually smell or look that bad.
Leka.
No, let's play what are the odds to eat the eye. Let's play what are the odds to eat the eye.
A couple of medium-sized onions. There is nothing fancy about preparing and cooking fish heads.
Out of 3.
Wait, it's like looking at me.
Ready? Out of 3. I'll go first. Come on.
It is a kai fit for kings and queens.
3, 2, 1, 2. Oh my God! No!
There's a lot of bones.
I take it back.
Oh, I'm gonna give the eye a crack.
Nah, gee.
Yeah, why not?
Oh wait, was that for you?
No,
Oh yeah,
no,
that was
it
for you.
was
Okay, sweet, yeah,
It was
cool.
for you. No, wait, let's do you as well, because you have to eat it too. Now, ready? 3, 2, 1, 1.
It just tastes like nothing.
Shot. You did that for us,
I did
man.
that for us, so you owe
Because
me.
I ain't trying the eye.
Are we actually going to eat the eye?
It would be wrong to waste kai. Everything on a fish pretty much is edible. There's just so much nutrients in the ika.
Sorry guys, I'm not getting peer pressured into this one.
And of course, at the start,
How do you even get it out? Like, do you just scoop it out or?
Wait, let me just move this over in case I need to bring it back up.
Ka ngano ki te kai I te karu o te ika mō taku māma te take. Te mea, ka tino kaha kai ia I ngā karu o te ika nō reira me ngana ahau.
Stop stalling.
Wait, nah, what's that red stuff?
now these should only really take 5-ish, 7-ish minutes. They shouldn't take too long.
Kia tere, kia tere.
Just tastes like gooey shit.
I'm sorry, Matsua.
Go ahead, kōrero pēnā.
Well, here we are e te whānau. Ko hora te kai, ko tinua te ika, te upoko o te ika.
Kia tere. Kōrero atai haere.
Te kau o te kau. The eyeball I probably won't eat again. Rawe te miti.
Ture, tua, tahi, tākira. Where that? If I have to do this, you have to too.
He's looking at you.
I wouldn't probably try this ever again.
Delicious.
Mea mea koe nei tō tino kai. Cut it out.
ka kei ringa no atu koe.